Good morning, Year 1, and welcome to the final day of our maths lessons. And as has become a bit of a theme now, we're going to be looking at doing some assessment work, seeing how much you've learnt this week using Doodle Maths and for two different added extras. So once you've finished the arithmetic starter, you'll need to load up your Doodle Maths and have a go at the added extras that have activated today. So, for the starter, you may want cubes, counters, counting beads, number squares, rulers, whatever you use for counting on, and a whiteboard or a piece of paper to write the answers for the starters. Okay, so when you're ready, grown-ups, we'll get going. Okay, so over to you. Pause the video, and when you're ready, I'll go through the answers. Okay, so 1 plus what makes 11? Well, if we were to get out a 10 and a 1 to represent 11, and then take away the 1, we'd know that it was 10. We know this one by now. If you've added nothing to a number, it stays the same. So 12 plus nothing equals nothing. Equals 12, sorry. 4 plus 8 is also 12. And 14, count back 2, is 12. Now, we would use commutative here. So we know that 6 minus 6, 4, so we turn that into 4 plus 6, which is the same sum, which equals 10, and then the answer is 10 minus 6 equals 4. 12 plus 5 on number beads is 17. 8 plus 7 is 15. 0 plus 18 is 18. And now again, you can move this around. So we've got 17 minus 14 gives us the answer, which is 3. Or we could have counted back 3 to 14 on a number line. 20 minus 11, number beads, gives you 9. 3 plus 15, number beads, gives you 18. 9 plus 6 equals 15. 13 minus 7 equals 6. Again, counting back 6. And then what do you need to count on from 5 to get to 17? That's 12. 11 minus 3, using number beads, would give you 8. Okay, so that's all there is to today's arithmetic test. And now these are the two added extras that have been added for the first one. Measure and record length and height in centimetres using a ruler, so there's an opportunity to practice that. And if you want to listen to the introduction or read the you're growing up to read you the introduction, it's probably a good idea just to remind you of what we've learned this week. And the second one you're going to be doing is measuring mass and weight. And again, a lot of that is practical, dragging and thinking about how you use the scales, because you're going to be balancing out a lot of different amounts of weight. So the trick here is to work out which different weights you need to balance things. Okay, so I look forward to seeing how brilliantly you do on these, and that's the end of today's maths lesson. So good luck, and there's another set of maths lessons waiting for you next week.